So this is the result after I optimize using AutoTune FDM. The objective or the goal for the test is to, or for the optimization, is to have a very easy support removal. Make sure that very less scarring marks below or on top of the supported area, and make sure that it's easy enough to remove the support from the part. So as you can see, I can easily remove the support. It's very easy and leave no marks on the part. I mean, like, maybe you can see some surface waviness, but it doesn't leave any scar. In the past, I used to have a very bad scarring marks at the support area, but this AutoTune FDM apps that I developed myself, because I've been frustrated and wondering what or which parameter that I should change to optimize the print quality. And finally, after some times of developing the software, the other app, I managed to get this. So if you're interested or wanted to know further how the app helped me on having this better print quality, just let me know in the comment. I'll be willing to share. Thank you guys.